there, I'm Addie. In this tutorial, we'll go through some of the more advanced features of your bookshelf. You'll notice that there are several icons to the right of your resources in a cloud. Selecting the blue Add icon will take you to the Content Manager, allowing you to add your own tailored content that can be seen and accessed by your class. For more on this, please see our tutorial videos on the Content Manager. As teachers, you have administration rights for each virtual class cloud that you teach. Selecting the Edit icon will allow you to edit the title, description, and members of the cloud. It is here you can change the permissions of certain members or delete the cloud entirely. We recommend that you check with your school administrator before doing so. The Profile icon refers to the number of members in each class cloud and includes all students and teachers from the physical class, while the Book icon displays the number of resources housed in that class cloud. Finally, you can access a variety of statistics and data relating to any cloud by selecting the three dots and selecting Cloud Statistics. This feature can be used to monitor your students' resource usage by reviewing statistics by book or by user. To monitor by user, scroll down until you find the student you're interested in. Select their name and a resource they use. You will then see a record of each page they've accessed, when they last opened the page, and the amount of time spent on it. To search by book, select the By Book tab, select the book of interest and scroll through the student list where you can see the same usage statistics. Press the X in the top right corner to return to the bookshelf. ReadCloud stores these cloud statistics for 30 days. In the bookshelf, you also have an option to create and add your own clouds. You can do this by heading to My Clouds and then the blue plus icon. Enter the new cloud's name, description, and designate administrators and members of the cloud. Tick this checkbox if you wish to allow members to add media to the cloud. If the member is a teacher, they will be able to access the Content Manager for that cloud. If the member is a student, they will be able to access a student version of the Content Manager for that cloud, which has a simplified interface. Once finished, select Save. For the cloud to instantly appear in your bookshelf, simply select My Clouds and press the refresh symbol, or ReadCloud will sync data every couple of minutes. The final feature of your bookshelf is the Export Annotations function. When you access an ebook through the reader, you have the ability to make private and shared annotations. For more on making these annotations, see our video tutorial creating annotations in your ebook. Right-click or long hold on the thumbnail of the ebook you wish to export annotations from. Select More, then Export Annotations. Here you can view both your own private annotations and those that are shared for the resource amongst your class cloud. The annotation data includes the author, timestamp, annotated text, the annotation, and the page number of the annotated text. Note that you can export the annotation and not the marked up text. Change the layout from list to table. Change the maximum number of annotations to export, with 100 annotations being your limit. Toggle the private only and only made by you sliders to filter out annotations you don't wish to export. Select Print Preview to view the data as a printable document, and select Print if you wish to print the annotations directly. Alternatively, select Export to CSV to save the annotation data as a comma-separated value file on your local device. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. ReadCloud, the e-reading software used by leading schools across Australia.